In today's video, we're going to look at a new feature for NotebookLM, video overviews. That's right, it's here, I've got access, and I'm going to show you exactly what we can do. So let's jump onto the computer. Here you can see I'm in NotebookLM. Again, I'll leave a link in that description below, but we've been impressed by NotebookLM. If you want to see what it is able to do, check the card at the top for a more in-depth overview of NotebookLM. Now I'm going to click on Create New. Now, when I open this new notebook, what you'll see is it asks me for some sources. Now, at the moment, I am working on an app that all my Patreon supporters are going to eventually get access to. And so I need to understand the integration between Patreon and Firebase, which is what I use for my app. So let's load all that documentation into this notebook. Here at the top, I have the API information on Patreon. I'm going to simply copy that link, and I'm going to paste this into my NotebookLM. Then I will again go to a new line and I will add in that second link. So here is my other piece of information. This is all the Firebase documentation. Again, we are going to place that in here for NotebookLM to use. Then I'm going to click on Insert. This is all still exactly the same as we did before. However, what is new is on the right-hand side, you'll see we now have video overview. Now, before we had this podcast discussion with the audio overview feature, video overview takes this to the next level. It is going to generate the slideshows, a voiceover. It gives you a full video that you can then use to effectively flip your classroom and share with students. So let's have a look at what it creates for this API overview. We're going to click on Video Overview. It's going to start generating this, and this does take quite a long time, a lot longer than the audio overviews, but I can see this speed up as people are getting more familiar with it and as Google continue to pour resources into this feature. So here you can see we have that notebook, we have our resources on the left, and the video has been fully rendered. Let's have a look at it. We're going to click on play.
All right, today we're going to talk about something that's a real game changer for anyone with an idea.
So as you can see, the slides were generated. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. And you will see
already exists
as they
Patreon.
talk through
and
all the
us,
content,
secure,
it gives you a beautiful video with a slideshow. Incredibly
now, if you're
powerful.
Not totally sure what an API is? No worries. Think of it like a waiter at a restaurant. You tell the waiter your order, they take it to the kitchen, and they bring your food back. You don't need to know.
So you can see you can load incredibly complex information into the notebook, and it will generate this video overview lesson with very clear examples and metaphors that can then be used by anyone to really dive into a topic. Now, this is rolling out as we speak. The account I'm using at the moment is a Google Labs account, but I will link to a full documentation page with all the information on who gets access to this and how you might go about it. Now, a quick thank you to all the channel members and our Patreon supporters. If you too would like to become a channel member or a Patreon supporter, links will be at the bottom in that description. And as I mentioned at the start of this video, I am building out some additional features for those Patreon supporters, such as some software that will soon be released, but more on that later. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.